Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting essentials and taking first actions immediately. You verify device list, power, cables, and backup configs, then prioritize tasks by impact. You map the network briefly so you know which nodes to touch first. Once you have credentials and a console connection, you disable unnecessary services and apply a baseline firmware or OS patch to critical devices. Make sure to log changes and set a rollback point so you can undo mistakes quickly. Then test basic connectivity, latency, and throughput before proceeding to broader changes. You now execute the complex middle steps: segment traffic, deploy VLAN, and optimize routing. You configure co-S policies for critical services and tune MTU, keepalive, and ARP timers where needed. Once VLAN and policies are active, run targeted tests. Traceroute, iPerf, and simulated user flows to measure performance and spot bottlenecks. Make sure to iterate, adjust queue limits and buffer sizes, then retest. Keep clear notes so rollback or scaling is predictable and repeatable. Also automate repetitive changes with scripts or Ansible playbooks to save time and minimize error. You finish by hardening, validating, and documenting the network for fast, reliable operation. You enforce access controls, enable logging and monitoring, and schedule automated backups, then verify end-to-end user experience with real traffic samples. Once stable, publish runbooks and change windows so teams know procedures. If something fails, use the one key troubleshooting tip: isolate segments, reproduce the problem with controlled tests, and compare logs and counters to the baseline to find divergence quickly. Also keep a contact list and vendor escalation path ready to accelerate fixes when required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.